Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my brand new Photoshop tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to create amazing cyberpunk effect inside Photoshop. So let's dive in. So the first thing, unatakiwa kufungua picha yako utaka kuitumia inside Photoshop. Then after that, take a brush, then right click anywhere, choose the brush size unayotaka and make sure the hardness iwe total 100 ili upate the lines ambazo ziko very sharp. The hardness ikiwa down means utapata things ambavyo kidogo viko shallow na hatuhitaji things kama hivyo. So next thing, make sure you have applied a new layer. So click in the new layer, then start just random the way you want the cyberpunk zako ziwe, like here. I will add something like this. I will add something like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then brush little dogo kidogo, then I'll add something again like 1, 2, okay, 3. Then I'll add another thing here, 4, 5, and then another one. It will start from here. Sorry, don't hold shift, click once kwanza, then you can hold down shift, click somewhere there. Then later on I will finish up kwa kuweka hapa, there and there. Just weka kwa sababu wewe ndo designer na wewe ndo you know what you want, so it doesn't mean lazima ufanye like I do. Just weka kitu ambacho unaona kwako itakuwa ni vizuri. Make sure uko kwenye new layer. So what to do right now, you can click on this button here. Why? Kwa sababu unahitaji ku add a layer mask. So right click, these are adjustment layers, sorry. Then go up here, utaona sema umeandika solid color, click it. Utapata this panel ambayo wewe utachoose rangi unayotaka. For me I will go with the cyan. Then I'll hold down alt, then enter click here, means na clip ile rangi inside those button. So right now utaona nimepata rangi tu, lakini still haionekani ni realistic. Why? Kwa sababu rangi imekaa tu like that. So the best way ni ku right click ile layer yenye ilokuwa na pattern zako, then click on blending options, or you can just double click the layer ili box litafunguka. So for this utaenda somewhere here wala andika inner shadow, clicking here utaona unapata something there. Now you can play around with the opacity, you can play around with the distance. Wacha niweke 100% kwanza nione with the distance, the choke iwe 0, the size, play around paka utaporidhika. For me naona somewhere there, not bad. There. Opacity down. Then after that you can click OK. And right now unaona at least nimeleta deep feeling inside. Inaonekana see these lines ziko inside the person. Also anytime you can double click, you can change the colors to whatever you want. Utayorizika nayo, that great. I'll stick with the cyan thing. I'll stick with the cyan for now. Also there is another way. Here you can click anything For example, for me nitaenda ku apply some effect, nitaenda kwenye my images, then nita choose random PNG things like hiki or something like hii. Okay, open it, utapata the picture there. Okay, right now as you see, I got a picture. I can scale down, I can import somewhere, I can scale down to somewhere there. Wacha niweke somewhere here. I can click OK. Then nikitaka ku remove all the white colors nibaki na black, I can use magic eraser tool ambao liko ndani ya eraser tool there. Then nika click once kwanza, kwa sababu hii ni picha tulio import. Most of the time hii picha inakuwa ni PNG, so huwezi uka import for the first time mpaka ubonyeze OK, then ndio utaweza kuanza kuedit. So I can remove all those colors, then nikaiweka somewhere here. It will be great. Vitu vilokuwepo huku chini for now I don't need them, so I will just erase them all somewhere there. So even this picture na yenyewe nikitaka iwe na the same effect, what I will do, nita click hile layer ya solid layer, holding down alt, then I bring it up, then holding alt au right click, then ta create clip mask. So na yenyewe itakuwa imepata rangi kama zile. So even yenyewe nikija hapo alipoandika effect, nika hold down alt, nika hold the effect, nika drag, nikaja kuiachia kwenye ile image pia, boom, yenyewe that image itakuwa as if imetokea na the same effect ilo apply huku. Ukitaka ku get it further, you can click, you can add some things like hizi, sorry, you can add some things like engines here. Holding down alt means itaingia inside this layer, control T, I can scale down somewhere there, nika bring it here, then I can change this color to anything, the blending options somewhere. I'll go with soft light, and there you have it guys. So that is how to create Cyberpunk effect. Ila anytime you can come and do some correction, like down here most of the time hatupendi ziishie with this round, so make sure uwe kwenye layer ile ya kwanza kabisa tulianza kutengeneza those panels, then click on add a layer mask, then choose your brush, or kama sio your brush, choose a polygon selection tool, then cut sehemu ambazo hautaki on add, cut it. I want to cut some parts here ambazo kidogo hazijaishia vizuri. I will use a lasso tool ili zionekane vizuri. There, I will remove that part. In here, I will remove this part. Then need to remove this part. Then for here, I will remove this part. Hapa, I will remove this part. There, I can take my brush, black linafuta, white linapaka. So I will use black. Why? Kwa sababu linafuta. Then I can remove this part. I can remove this part here ili kidogo ionekane realistic zaidi. I can remove the part. here I can remove them, and here right click, make it soft, then I can remove them here. There, Control D, deselect, and kind of unapata something at least iloka vizuri. Or you can use now the brush tool, then ukawa una add white color, ukawa una add things kama hivyo, uka remove as you did, and there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. Let me hear from you. Andika comments zako about the tutorial or anything ambao kukuelewa. I'll do my best nikueleweshe. Or pia kama mno idea or suggestions za the next tutorial iwaje, please notify me. I'll do my best nikutengenezea that video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.